Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the TikTok Live Studio no access problem in 2025. First of all, make sure your TikTok account meets the live requirements. You need to have at least 1000 followers and be 18 years old or older to go live using Live Studio. If your account doesn't meet these conditions, you won't be able to access it yet. Now, if your account already meets the requirements, open the TikTok Live Studio on your computer and make sure you've logged in with the same TikTok account that meets the live criteria. Sometimes users accidentally log in with a secondary account which causes the no access issue. Also check for any pending updates for TikTok Live Studio. If you still see the same no access error, open the TikTok app on your phone, then tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. After that, go into Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down a little and tap on Report a Problem under Support and About. After that, in the search bar at the top, search for Live Studio and tap on Live Studio Access Issues. Then, describe your problem briefly and submit a report. TikTok's support team will review your case and unlock your access if you're eligible. And that's all. That's how we can fix the TikTok Live Studio no access problem in 2025.